We did see mostly sunny skies to begin with, and then clouds have been increasing all day long. Now notice here on our satellite and radar scanning the skies, we've got a few passing light showers moving into the area here, mainly right now towards the Mocksville area into Lexington. Very light stuff, but there's also some gusty winds out there as well. It's kind of part of a larger system still off towards the west. So a passing shower, a light sprinkle or two this evening can't completely be ruled out, but most of us are going to stay dry. Temperatures very warm today, into the low 70s right now. Back off towards the west into the mountains, we are stuck into the low to mid 50s. And winds have been gusting from time to time. We did have some higher wind gusts in and around the mountains in Sparta. We did have a wind gust of about 32 miles per hour not too long ago, with some of those passing showers that have continued to kind of weaken here for us. So for the rest of this evening, if you're going out to dinner, going for a walk, anything outdoors, really not too bad. Just lots of cloud cover out there. And again, a passing shower. Better chances for those showers in and around the mountains as we continue to see temperatures dropping into the low 60s by 11 o'clock. The bigger story has been down towards the south, where there has been some strong to even severe storms. Our cold front still back off towards the west. It doesn't really look like a whole lot right now, but this is going to be headed our way for tomorrow, and that's going to keep the chance for some scattered showers around for tomorrow morning, and then by the afternoon we'll kind of dry things out as well. The severe weather risk for tonight still remains off towards the south, and as that front gets closer, notice the severe weather risk into the eastern part of the state. We are out of that threat. So any showers that we have will be under severe criteria and really under strong criteria as well. Just some spotty showers out there for tomorrow morning. Some gusty winds though. As that front approaches tomorrow midday, the winds are going to really pick up out there as well. And then for the afternoon, mostly sunny skies and very warm. We'll have a really nice Saturday afternoon. Again, it's just going to be breezy. And then heading into Sunday, we'll start to see our winds shifting more towards the northwest. So that is going to draw in a little bit of cooler air heading into Sunday, but not too bad. So the potential wind gusts tomorrow between about 30 and 45 miles per hour will be possible. And then even still staying breezy through Saturday evening, but winds will be dying down just a bit as well. Our forecast for tonight, mostly cloudy skies, a few showers, maybe a spotty thunderstorm or two. Temperatures down into the low 60s waking up tomorrow morning. Mid 70s by tomorrow afternoon. We'll call it partly cloudy, warm and windy. Sustained winds out of the southwest, 15 to 25, but of course those winds will be gusting into the 30s and 40s. Not too bad for the mountains and the foothills either, starting out with cloud cover, some scattered showers, more sunshine though by the afternoon and warming up. So here's our front. High pressure builds in from the southwest, and that's going to lead to a really nice Sunday. Lots of sunshine for us, just a little bit cooler though. We'll have chilly mornings, warm afternoons as that high pressure continues to slide offshore. Now going into next week, Tuesday night into Wednesday, we're watching our next storm system. There's still a lot of uncertainty as far as the air mass here, whether it's going to be stable or unstable. So we've got to watch this system very closely, as we could have some severe weather depending on if we get wedged into some of that cooler air. Your 7-day forecast shows those temperatures nice and warm for us on Saturday, even comfortable on Sunday. Low to mid 60s under mostly sunny skies, back to the 70s Monday and Tuesday, and then of course a chance for scattered showers and storms Wednesday and Thursday.